Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is about structure of atom. Second unit we will start, and in this unit we will know about the basic theories about structure of atoms and how we know the structure of atom. As we know that atom is a tiny particle, very tiny particle. So in this chapter we will study about the discovery of atom and structure of atom, and how we know the uh, structure of atoms and subatomic particles, proton, electron, and neutron by the scientists from the start. From the start to the present. Introduction. Ancient Greek philosopher Democritus suggested that matter is composed of tiny indivisible particles called atoms. The name atom was derived from the Latin word atoms, meaning indivisible. In the beginning of 19th century, John Dalton put forward atomic theory. According to all matter is made up of very small indivisible particles called atoms. Till the end of 19th century, it was considered that atom cannot be subdivided. However, in the beginning of 20th century, experiments performed by Goldstein, J.J. Thomson, Rutherford Bohr, and other scientists revealed that atom is made up of subatomic particles like electron, proton, and neutron. Properties of these subatomic particles will be discussed in this chapter. And from the introduction, we have to only learn the dates and history and names of the scientist who gives introduction and who gives the early statements about atom. Theories and experiments related to structure of an atom. According to Dalton, an atom is indivisible. Hard, dense, sphere atoms of the same element are alike. They combine different ways to form a compound. This is the Dalton atomic theory. From the start to form compound. Indivisible means it cannot be divided. Hard, dense, sphere atoms of same elements are alike. They combine different ways to form compounds. The first line of the Dalton is that atom about the structure of atom, because no one know that what is the structure of an atom. And earlier time, because on that time there were no any techniques, advanced techniques and technology to determine the structure of an atom. So they give the concept about first, and earlier concept about the atom is that according to Dalton, an atom is indivisible. Hard, dense, sphere atoms of the same elements are alike. They combine in different ways to form compound. In the light of Dalton's atomic theory, scientists performed a series of experiments, but in the late 18th and early 19th, scientists discovered